For when I am weak, then I am strong. And I want to quickly ask each and every one of you, are you content? Can you say right now, listing your weaknesses in your mind right now, and we all have plenty of them, can you say you're content? Content with your weaknesses right now, with insults, with distresses, persecutions, difficulties, for not just to be a masochist to suffer for suffering's sake, but for Christ's sake. If you are a true believer in Jesus Christ, God has given you grace to be weak in yourself so you can be strong in Him. That is a grace of God. And maybe none of you have even thought of that until today. That, what are you talking about, Pastor Jared? That my weaknesses are a sign, a proof of God's grace in my life. That's exactly what the Bible teaches. That is exactly what happened to the Apostle Paul. He had divine revelations. He could have exalted himself, but God was faithful to keep Paul what? Humble.